I will take the biggest one, but the next one after that, it gotta be small.
That's how you eat your girl.
Oh, he burned it up over there.
What a milk at?
You good? Shake with a milk at.
Your ass high as water.
This nigga out no water, not no
Why can I fuck you like I want to, yeah? I wake up early morning thinking how I want you, yeah.
Yo, what's the deal, man? Today we are finna try the hottest thing in Cali.
For real?
Yeah. Oh yeah. But look though. Y'all see a new face. We gonna see.
Uh-oh.
It's about a young nigga, man. Show me some love. Introduce yourself, man.
You know my name.
Nah. Come on, Fully. You dry. Come on, Fully. You dry. We don't be dry on camera. I told you
Alright,
that.
my name is Sonati for me. You gonna follow me on Instagram on that Tiny Sugar.
But y'all heard the man, mate. But look, now that he introduced ourselves, I'm Mr. Heem, aka Mr. 3K, you feel me? Look, you know the vibe.
Y'all already know, man. We in there like booty hair. Stop playing.
Nobody no booty here, but you feel me? You know the ugly man with the plane, you know what I'm saying?
Wah.
And I'm the same as Jada G.
Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, bruh. So, who gonna eat it first, though?
I mean, the new nigga should eat it first.
Oh, the new niggas eat it first?
Yeah. Bon appetit.
Good, I don't know.
Bon appetit.
Yeah, bon appetit.
He gotta eat the whole bitch, and he gotta eat the whole thing. The whole thing.
Whole thing. You better gobble that motherfucker.
We all eating it with you, though.
I'm telling you, give me some ranch.
You want some ranch with it, though?
Yeah, you hard about it.
Come on.
Them boneless?
Yeah. So you better chow that motherfucker down.
You might as well go in there and pop that bitch. Oh, you take that little ass bite.
Yeah, come on, man.
Take that little ass bite.
Get
Get
that
that
down.
motherfucker. What it taste like?
Actually hot.
It's like, well, how hot, though, man?
It's not hot. How we getting here?
Yeah, you gotta knock that bitch. You gotta knock that thing.
Hey, he knew he should eat too. He should eat too.
Oh, yeah, she fine.
Nah, come on now. Come on.
Oh, man, come on, man. Yeah. Bro, everybody that got in the group did something reckless. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. We all done did something reckless.
Alright, I ain't
Get that one.
Extra
Get that one right there.
Not never.
That one got all of it on there.
Not never.
Ooh, you got Keep touching the camera.
Hey, what do you say? This is hot.
Don't trip them. We got the milk on. Yeah, we got the milk for you.
On me.
It's spoiled, but you feel me? You good. Come on.
Just knock it back. The longer you wait, the more it's gonna hurt. Just knock it back.
Boy, you finna be a shitter for real. We gotta get that shit. Alright, one more. Cause I ain't see the reaction I'm looking for. I need one more.
Kick in. I believe we gonna kick in. We gonna wait though. We gonna wait.
Alright, so while we wait, should we eat one?
Yeah. You already know what I'm waiting for. Bring that ass here. Bring that ass here.
Here, boy.
It's not water yet.
No.
He ain't getting no
water.
water.
He ain't even getting no water yet.
Look at
Turn it up. You be alright, cuz. Don't stuck it out. Them bitches smell like pot. Oh, he burned it up over there. Bitches smell like straight pepper.
Shit now.
Finish it, nigga. You get another one.
I mean, you acting like you just thug-alicious or something.
You feel me?
No, that.
You hard body, bitch. Get another one.
You getting this one.
That shit like.
That shit
So
right
what?
here,
You
nigga?
getting that one?
What do you say? This shit right here, nigga?
This shit right here, nigga.
This shit called death, nigga.
I thought that was a big ass. I was about to say like
That's why you gave it to
I
him.
thought that was a big ass. You thought he was Slick Rick.
No cap.
This is Rick.
Where you going, man? You gonna watch this?
No. Come back.
Where you going?
Look, this my thing. I will take the biggest one, but the next one after that gotta be low ball. It gotta be small. I don't care. I don't give a fuck.
Man, come on, baby. All three of us gotta knock this bitch back at the same time.
Alright, fuck it.
Toast that bitch.
That shit ain't that.
Gotta get him. Damn. Hold on.
My dumb ass is chewing for flavor and shit.
I don't want to taste them right now.
That shit fire.
I don't want to taste them right now.
Hey, nah, bro, save me one, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh, hold on. Let me get the cameraman first. Come on, cameraman. Come on. Say the best one for you. Yes, sir. You gotta get down right now. Man, hell no. What the fuck?
That nigga licked it.
That nigga.
You think you hard body?
Something like that.
Something like that?
My lips all greasy now.
Oh, hold on. You're not?
You take the biggest one, nigga. What you mean, nigga? I just had the biggest one.
Alright, it's starting to kick in a little bit.
I'm a real nigga. Fuck it.
I mean, you could give Now's half because he still need his second one.
So yeah, now I do need a second one. Oh shit, there. Fact. That's fact.
This nigga keep licking it first.
I'm a real Jamaican, bro.
We gonna just chow down.
That's how you eat your girl.
I'm licking my fingers on. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not.
Yeah, I don't feel nothing.
I feel like it's my chest.
Remember when I had that hot sauce shot? I felt that bitch right here.
I feel like it's my chest.
He ass. Look at the way he's moving his tongue.
You good?
He over there killing it. He dying.
You over there pop locking this shit?
He over there.
To my nigga. Hey, that motherfucker starting to kick in now though. Hey, what a milk at?
You good?
Hey, what a milk at?
What a
Good, champion. Come on. Your ass eyes watering.
This nigga eyes done watering.
Not never.
Oh,
Not
eat my
never.
shit, that's why.
Yeah, you don't feel weak like you feel like you're about to fall.
No,
The fuck? The fuck? Yo,
No.
side effects is some old shit.
look at them, my nigga.
I get a scoop off the finger.
Niggas is boo boo.
Come on, fool.
Man, you boo boo. You should have got that big ass shit right there. I pointed at that, my nigga.
What? Man, it's the same shit.
And bon appetit. Come on.
Ah, shit, I got it on my finger. Ah, the homie trying to throw the.
Oh, not the chips.
Yeah,
You want to throw the chips in it?
That's the bang, ain't
Niggas, we
it?
ain't Mexican.
See?
I mean, y'all want to?
questioning life right now.
Y'all want to?
I mean, shit, come on.
pussy, my nigga.
Y'all want to? That's all
Come
I
on. Niggas finna, you finna have what?
You finna add it.
Ain't no
She doing it
leakage.
too, bro.
I'm not in that.
Ain't no leakage.
I'm not in that.
I'm
Nah,
not.
it is.
It's your put on, nigga.
I got it.
It's your put on video. You got to.
You putting on for the young. You putting on for the young motherfuckers that want to get on here.
It's only 14.
Alright.
That nigga look 36. I ain't gonna lie to you.
You gotta get close to the camera, bro. We gotta see. You gotta tell that down.
Just knock them back. You already been eating them all day.
Good, that works. Somebody get this nigga a Sprite.
Coca-Cola or some
Oh, me, that's not even Sprite. That's
That's
That
acid.
bitch in.
With water.
cameraman gave this to us like it was like it was gonna be something.
So what I want the cameraman to do is dip one of these bitches in the little shit.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, you's a nigga. You's a nigga for that.
Come on, little man.
Oh, I feel like I'm about to shit on myself.
Shit on himself. I ain't gonna lie.
You was Mexican for that.
That helped my shit go down.
For me, that did help it go down.
Yeah, so you could last the longest without getting something to drink. I mean, she already out.
Oh, you's a pussy, better.
Chuck them bitches. Right. Bon appetit.
Kind of take the edge
You
off.
gotta chill like a little kid. Lift your tongue. Lift your...
Uh-huh.
I mean, what's next?
What's hot sauce?
No.
See, now we taking shots.
All right, I got. Okay, I got.
Oh,
you.
yeah. Yeah.
I got you.
Get that shit.
I got this soap.
I'm got
What the fuck? Oh yeah, we
I
gotta
gotta
get
go
you.
first.
You the new one.
Y'all
When we
wild.
finna get him?
Damn.
Yo.
Damn. Put it on the tortilla, man.
You straight? What we doing?
Hey, man.
This nigga out here bringing Chinese food, hot
Hey,
sauce.
man. Hey, man. Check it
You
out.
never had this?
I got
Hell no.
You never had this?
No.
That's sriracha. You're fucking up, boy.
What?
Oh, this nigga got a shot.
So you finna chow down with that? You.
Nobody gonna chow down with this.
Yeah.
Wait, now we gotta chow down with it, cause homie talking about something that's nothing.
He's sweating, though.
He a big dog.
Look at the
You said
condensation on this nigga's forehead.
First of all, this is oil.
Nah, fuck that. Look at the condensation.
Come on, now, it's
Look at the condensation on this nigga's
Right
forehead.
here.
Bon appetit. First of all, you going first.
Yeah, you do gotta go first,
That's-
man. We all doing it.
You smoking dumb dick and dynamite, buddy.
And one do we all
I feel like.
Hey, you gotta do the video.
Nah.
You gotta add that in the clip.
No, he brought it up, so he got to go first, though.
Come on, brethren.
Come on, bro.
You new booty. Just get it out the way.
on
Put
now.
it
I
on
gotta
for
drink
the
the
young
whole
folks.
shit?
That's
Yeah,
bullshit.
nigga.
You act like I poured a lot.
But if we both doing it, I got to drink half.
No, I'm saying no. He's gonna get his
all
own
do it,
separate
nigga.
shot.
Don't put your lips on it, though, because we already used that.
That bitch thick, ain't it? Ooh, damn.
That motherfucker chunky.
Open wide. Come on now. We gotta see it. We got.
Lift the tongue.
Okay.
Lift the tongue.
Lift your
Lift the tongue.
Lift your tongue. No pickles. Now you got it, champion.
I'm doing it. I'm taking over the channel.
Ooh wee.
Oh, you really think so?
Ooh wee.
You really think so?
Nigga for that. I
Ooh wee.
ain't gonna lie, Jane. If you can handle that food, I don't think I'm ever handle this.
Hard body.
Brethren.
Come on, fool.
Yeah, I'm-
brethren. Brethren.
That takes
Jada.
the edge off though. I'm chilling.
Jada. She hard body. She the most hard body female we got now.
Oh yeah, you is, pal. You putting on for the rest of them, though. You feel me? Yes, sir. Let's get it. She putting on for the females that ain't show up today.
Sriracha sauce.
Damn, I can smell that bitch.
That's horse sperm and
Thick right there.
rooster
God,
roots.
let me go home tonight.
It ain't alcohol, bitch. You can drive home.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna fuck them stomach.
It's okay, though. All our stomachs gonna be fucked up.
Give her the
after
Heem
this.
treatment. Give her the Heem treatment. Give her the Heem treatment.
Oh. You talking about?
You good? Look, you got a chip. Like,
Crazy.
Is it?
So use that.
all that shit.
Yeah, it is.
Now
on the
lick
lid.
it off your lip.
No, since y'all made me go first, I got to pick the one to go next.
No, nigga, this is your put
It's
on.
only, it's
video.
only.
Fuck out of here. Starting to
All
get-
right, that means
starting-
we gotta put it in here for you.
It's on you now, champion.
Nigga, I was gonna put more just as I'm putting it. Duh. Or you want or this for me or this for you? Because this ain't a lot.
I mean, shit don't matter to me if you want to go first.
To God be the glory, huh?
Scary, bro.
I said if it. He said because it's not a lot. That's why I said it don't matter, nigga.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, all right,
Sound good.
little nigga.
Oh, wait. I feel a little tension here.
To God be the glory.
This motherfucker stink.
So, hey,
what?
you finna meet Jesus tonight, boy. As soon as you hit that toilet.
You won't be in the shitter for real, for real.
I'm gonna be shitting my colons out.
You ain't learned to test me.
Damn, that's a lot.
That motherfucker in there, buddy.
Just swallow it.
Swallow, bitch.
No homo.
Swallow.
Hey yo, chill.
What he nigga say? He was like, and she swallow. And she swallow.
We just swallow it straight. Pause. You don't
That's
taste
good
nothing.
Pause indeed.
Cameraman for today.
I'm finna be shitting.
Yeah. Why you shaking like that? Like you got Parkinson's. Not with the tongue out.
Going straight to the throat.
Yes, sir.
You can tell he did this shit before.
Alright. Look at his ugly ass.
That boy hot. That boy is hot.
Fucking stomach burn.
Nuh-uh, close the door, pimpin'.
Nah, nigga, what you hold?
We gotta last.
My back sweaty, nigga.
How your back sweaty if it went to your throat, not your fucking back?
Hey, pause.
Yeah, pause.
Cameraman next.
Oh yeah, camera.
Oh yeah.
What you think you doing?
No, no habla inglés.
Yeah, you don't need English to drink this, nigga. You should know what a shot glass mean and pull up. And all
Right.
that.
Headshot. Sit down.
Damn.
Wake up.
I can't fucking breathe.
Damn, that's a lot.
Oh man.
Nigga, I drunk a lot too.
What the nigga say? Muy bien. No. I am not doing this shit. Dead one.
Yeah.
No, I ain't no bitch. Hold on. You ready? You ready to get the good lighter?
I got you. My nigga out here looking purple, but it don't matter.
Oh shit, never mind. I don't even want to do it no more.
Come on, bro.
Yeah. I am, because I'm not doing this shit. I ain't did this shit since camp, nigga.
They got colors.
Deep freaky ass.
Lightweight.
That's lightweight. She's like 98 pounds.
Soaking wet. Alright.
Come on. I ain't gonna let you quit.
Come on, Craig.
Come on, my nigga.
Come on, Craig. Come on, Craig.
Come on.
We gonna give you a boost. Ready, go.
Oh shit.
Go.
Get up.
There you go. 1. Just hit 3. Hit 3.
Program. Come on.
Hit 3. 2. Yes, sir.
Should've made it to 5.
And you next. You got the titties out. You next.
It got hot.
Nips out.
Hey, you got
It got hot, nigga.
censor that shit.
It got hot, nigga.
Go ahead, hit him.
Hit what?
Push up.
Whoa, how am I?
niggas more solid than me. Like that.
You will be sooner or later.
Walk through the tats.
Bro, y'all weak.
I ain't gonna lie, nigga. She get heavy after that second one. Cause it's hot. It's hot.
Young Buck did 3.
Y'all helped him, nigga. I did it on myself.
Young Buck did 3.
Man.
He only did 2.
Y'all just helped him out. Tell me you didn't.
Okay, and
But
So
you a
what
grown
then, nigga?
man. You are.
I'm not grown.
Come on,
Bro, how old are you?
I'm a teenager.
Bro, how old are you?
I'm 16.
I'll redo it. I'll read it. I'll do 6.
I'm 16.
Oh, he said he about to double up on you.
Come on. I'll redo
You
it.
like a young push-ups in my
You are on my nose.
Okay.
That boy shaking like a stripper, boy.
shaking like booty.
They're doing more than 2 though.
That's 5, nigga. That's 5, nigga.
Okay.
Fuck out of here.
He said he about to do 6.
That's 5, nigga. Do your push-ups, nigga. Do your push-ups, nigga.
Oh shit.
He ain't getting up.
Oh wait.
He ain't.
How many I gotta do?
27.
You lie.
He didn't count to 27. Oh, damn, that felt good.
Dang, yo.
She cracking this nigga back.
No more locked doors.
Nigga, gosh,
Black crack.
How many is that?
That was 5, nigga.
4.
I did 5 straight.
The cameraman gotta get down that niche.
This nigga back crack too. I'm crying. Oh, you topped off.
That's that jack-off strap.
Homie be two-stroking his meat.
That nigga's he be in a room like this. I told you I do this. I do this. I'm not even. 5 girl push-ups.
What the fuck we putting on her back though?
Shit, a case of water.
I was thinking that I'm not.
Hold on.
She gonna drop all of that.
Wait. 5 girl push-ups?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can tell me
It is heavy.
and we helped you for one.
But I ate 2 though back to back though.
We all ate 2. We all ate 2,
Y'all,
nigga.
the first time y'all niggas ate 1 and y'all sit there for half the video and then y'all ate the rest after that.
Somebody told you to sit there and play with that shit in your mouth. No homo.
So, that concludes the video, you feel me? Introduce yourself again, because I'm pretty sure they forgot.
Man, you know, like
You gotta get loud,
Like I
bro.
said,
You
like I
said.
said.
You gotta bring loud,
Alright.
bring some energy, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, we finna pack
Like
this
I
out on
said, go follow me on Instagram. Oh, that's Tiny Shooter, you feel me? So, like, you gonna see it at the bottom right there.
Where you going?
Where's he going? I don't know. He need to come back right here.
Yeah, he
I don't know why he walk off. Yeah.
Shit,
You not that guy just yet.
you finna go, feel me? Put your dukes up. You might have to take this shit off.
What you talking about?
Hey. Oh, this? He ain't seen this again.
Fight back, nigga. Fight back, nigga.
Hey, get your legs in here. Get your legs in here.
Fight back, nigga. Fight back.
If any one of your peoples want to be in these videos from here on out, tell them they're gonna have to do something reckless. We don't do no pussy shit in this shit.
Well, none of that today.
But how was you feeling though?
You know, I feel like I was gonna fall out for a minute. Then afterwards, I came back. I stayed strong. And most of you niggas out here.
That don't count. That one doesn't count.
Oh
Okay,
my
alright.
gosh.
But I
talking
still-
about some push-ups.
I still
We
did it,
held
Oh my
Like, come on,
gosh.
Why you
You're
keep
not gonna
doing
include the push-ups
Hey, man.
part, but
Welcome to the
everything
Heem
else,
team,
I did it. You know.
Welcome to the Heem team, man. We're gonna give you a round of applause, you feel me? Because you survived it, you feel me? But But now we gotta see if you got game. So next video, we finna put you on a blind date.
With a bitch my age.
Yeah.
Yeah, what was it?
No, we serious. Everybody in this group that been on a blind date. Oh yeah,
Seen everybody
he
else.
blew it. Tell the lady, cause I know she gonna be watching, that you ready for it.
Hey, if you watching this, just know I'm ready. I might not look ready, but I'm ready. You feel me?
He said he finna put her to bed. So look, you feel me? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, bro. We out of here.